G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another Bite or Bin It review. Today we've got this thing. This is from Happymodel, the Mobula 7. Now these guys had the Snapper 6 and the Snapper 7 and they were great. This one is friggin' awesome. Bit of a spoiler alert, it is really good. So if you want to buy one, get in line because it's going to be a long time before you can have one. That really sucks. So I'm going to whack this thing on the bench, have a quick look at it, take it out for a spin in the bush, flying 2S and then around the pit on 1S, and I think you're going to like this. Anyway, let's whack it on the bench. Well, Happymodel have done it again. This is such a good little quad. Nice little canopy on it, adjustable camera, and it's quite a key. It's 700 TVL camera, so it's very clear. The VTX is 40 channel, 25 milliwatt with smart audio. The motors on this thing, the SE802, 16,000 kVs. So they're going to push it along a bit. It'll run on 1S or 2S, and it's the Crazybee flight controller, which is the F3 Pro. Also, it's available in Frsky, Flysky, or DSMX. As far as your battery goes, clever little design. They've got this little bit of TPU they've made up here. It just slides in that slot there. Just slide your batteries in. And look at that. That is not going to go anywhere. And just plug them in, away you go. You can also fly this on 1S, and to do that, all you need to do is make up one of these things. That's just the end of one of the batteries, which I've soldered the ends. All you have to do is plug it in any one of these terminals, doesn't matter which one. Then you can put a bigger battery in there, like so, and plug it in, and voila, you've got a 1S quad. Now you're asking, why would you want to run this on 1S? Well, I can tell you now, for inside it's a beast. On 2S it's really a little bit too fast. With a 1S battery inside, it is brilliant, and it's still better than the Snapper 7 on 1S. I really like this, so what we'll do, we'll take it for a spin and see what you reckon.
On the path to find a place for us both to belong, to stay on track, just needed faith for us both to be strong, and all the stress will be erased.
Well, I don't know about yous, but I reckon they've done it again. Happymodel, well done, guys, because this is just a great little quad. 2S or 1S. As you can see, the footage inside was all 1S. All the footage outside was on 2S, so it does go. Look, if you're interested, I'll leave a link below with a coupon code. You can save an extra 9%. So, yeah, just go for it, guys. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time.